This is a question from Gate 23 and the question is 56. The question states that in the context of balance of payment account, which of the following transaction it is are not recorded under the current account. Now all we know that the balance of payment account includes two account in itself. The first is current account and the second one is capital account. In the current account we record all the transaction with the foreign country or with the international, which affect the current income of the economy, or we can say that it is the flow things. And the capital account includes all those transactions of the economy which affect the assets and liabilities of the economy, or we can say that all the stock items come under the capital account. Now it is asking which of these are coming under the current account. First is merchandise trade. So in merchandise trade, what we imply that we are trading the goods and services, and with trading the goods we are getting the money in return, the foreign capital or something in return. So through this there is no creation of assets and liabilities, therefore it will come under the current account. And the second is unilateral transfer payment. Again, unilateral transfer payment implies that we are transferring payment and in return they are not and we are not paying anything. It is like a person is working in the foreign and he is paying to his parents. Okay, so it is unilateral transfer payment. Now again, there is no creation of asset and liability in the given transaction also, or this is just affecting the current income. This is not creating any recurring income for the future, so it is also a part of current income. Now, purchase of international financial assets. Here, international financial assets, we are purchasing it, we are creating an asset in the foreign economy, and therefore it is a part of capital account and not the current account. So we can say that option C is the correct option because it won't be come under the current account. And why it won't come under current account, because it is creating the asset which is a part of capital account. And now the fourth option is purchase of foreign currency by the central bank. Now, as we know, foreign currency is itself considered as an asset for the given economy, forex, and our central government is creating a forex reserve for the economy, and it, because of reserve, it is come under the asset of the economy now. So it is a part of capital account, and also in all the actions by the government in the international economy is generally come under the capital account. So it is a part of capital account and not the current account. So option C and D are correct. I hope you find this video helpful, and if it is so, then please do comment, like and subscribe. Thank you.